RingCentral is a unified cloud communication and collaboration company based on our MVP platform. Our customers are asking for a fast technology, a reliable technology, and also secure. RingCentral actually holds all three in a single ecosystem, and that is what makes us so unique.
We are able to transition to work from home 100% in a matter of 2 weeks by providing equipment and distributing these equipments to our employees' homes. We also provided internet connectivity support. Later on, we also provided internet allowances.
Acquire BPO has this robust program. We have what we call Acquire at Home. And what that program does is to actually deliver computer equipment to our employees, set them up, and enable them to work as if they're actually inside an office.
We did a really good job of making sure that there were events that fit the online workspace, but allowed people to still feel what our culture was like. We had online games, we had karaoke contests, we live streamed concerts via Facebook and other platforms, and we noticed that our productivity and our connection to culture actually went up during the pandemic. It was remarkable.